Okay, so hi and welcome back to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle, and this is Kshitij Bhatnagar. So I think it's a beautiful weather today to go on a long drive, and I think we should head out. What's up, everyone? I'm more energetic. What's up again? Because long drives give me undescribable energy, if that's even a word. So we're gonna go on a long drive and we'll talk about today's video. The topic of today's video is, as you might have read in the caption already, hard work is not the key to success. So then let's find out what is. So hard work is the key to success. Doesn't it sound like too vague an answer and too easy to to attain success? This is I don't think if I take it as a door, that success lies behind a door to which hard work is the key. I don't think that there only exists one lock. What I feel is there exist a couple of more locks to which hard work can be an important ingredient. So not just hard work. I think that a person might need to adhere to a plan. Should also be able to be more productive and efficient, and should also learn to not give up in the process. So not just hard work, because if you're working towards a dream, if you're working towards a goal, I don't think you will be facing a lot of problems along the way. And I don't think that hard work is the only answer to every single one of them, because hard work is too vague. There can be a lot of other ways that you can do hard work. So if you're being productive, for example, if you're being productive, you can work very hard in that too. So okay, so what if God forbid there comes a day when you don't want to work, when you've seen enough failures in the plans through which you're working towards your goal, and you've seen enough failures and you want to quit. At that point of time, you cannot face this problem with just hard work. How you can face this kind of problem is with the will to not give up. What will come into picture in this scenario is the will to not give up. And hard work won't help you hard work won't help you in this place. So similarly, if you're working towards something, if you're working on something, if you're working on a project, and let's suppose that we are thinking that we are working our best. We are doing our best. We worked really hard today, but at the end of the day, when you sit on your bed and go through your day, what have you done all day, and were you able to complete the plan for the day, complete the goals of your day, take off everything that you've listed on your to-do list for the day, and you feel that no, you still are lagging behind. So what will come into picture in this problem is not just hard work, but an eye for productivity. You need to have an eye for productivity as well. In this scenario, hard work won't help you in any way. What will help you is an eye for productivity, an eye for efficiency, and you should be able to do the SWOT analysis of your own self and realize how the day has been for you. So again, just hard work is not the key to success. For me, it is, if you look in this perspective, for me, it is the combination of, obviously, yes, hard work, but productivity, but determination, and some amount of an eye for productivity, and some amount of maybe a lot amount of the will to not give up, because that is what will keep you going, and not just hard work. So don't just depend on this argument that was coined a billion years ago, that hard work is the key to success. It is not. It is a combination of everything you can think of, and probably most of which we discussed in this video. So with that said, I'll wrap up this video here, and I'll leave you with the thought that, are you really sure that hard work is just the combination, is just the right thing that you want to have when you're working towards your goals? And is it really the only key to success? So yeah, think upon it, and if you agree with me, give this video a likes. What am I saying? Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot to talk about. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, okay, so if you're probably still here, I think that you might be having a doubt that how come so easily that I told you everything, that only two other things like productivity and being efficient and the will to not give up are the other keys to success, and why not the things that you've been learning since childhood, like a passion and blah blah blah. But if you think about it deeply, you'll end up categorizing every other thing, every other aspect that you can think of under these two categories, and if not, they'll probably fall under the category of hard work. So that is why I only covered the bigger picture. If you look at the bigger picture of it, I only covered those points, and if you want to see a detailed video, I've already done, and I've already covered this thing during my Selfie Monday segment, and yes, you can watch that. So yeah, see ya, tada, take care.